In this video, I will be teaching you how you can buy XRP on Fidelity. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Fidelity app and then log in your account. After that, you have to open up your crypto trading account. So for doing that, you need to click on this open or link an account option. If you don't find this option, you can click on this transact button from the bottom of your screen. And from this pop-up window, select this open an account option. Now from this screen, you have to select this crypto trading and then click on this get started option. Then on the screen, click on this next button, and then you just have to select the option if you want to create the individual account or joint account. Then you just have to enter your employment status and then click on next. And once you follow on screen instructions, your crypto trading account will be opened. The second thing we need to do is add some money to our crypto trading account so that we can buy XRP. So click on this transaction button from the bottom of your screen. Then this time click on this transfer button. Then you just have to select the from account or from the account which you want to transfer your money. So such as you can select your individual account or you can add new bank account. After that, you just have to in this two section you have to select your Fidelity crypto account and then transfer some money to your crypto trading account. And once you have some money in your account, you can again click on this transact option and then this time click on trade. And once you click on it, it will open up a screen where you can see all of the stocks and cryptocurrency that you can invest in. So from this page you have to select XRP, and once you select the XRP, it will open up this similar window where you can see the pricing of XRP at the current time. And then to buy it, simply click on this buy button and then just enter the amount how much you want to buy and then click on review. And lastly, you just have to double check everything, make sure to check the amount you have entered is correct, and then simply click on confirm or purchase button. And once you do that, your XRP will be purchased in your Fidelity. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.